So in the last episode, we discussed about how to create a SIEM lab. But tell me one thing, without logs, how SIEM works?
It's ridiculous.
Exactly. So today's episode, we will show you how you can actually get some logs into your SIEM. I will show you how to create your DSM parsers, how to send your logs from your storage space. You might have any logs. You can have syslog, you can have different kind of log forwarder to your system, and you can send all those logs to your SIEM. So what are you waiting for? So this is gonna be a real practical series, guys.
Just like the church says, just bring it!
So I won't waste any further time. Let's go into our lab and start the session right away. Let's do it.